In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Telegram group with link. We'll walk through the simple process from the moment you see an invite link to the moment you become a member, with a few helpful notes to keep everything clear and safe. First, locate the group invite link and tap or click it. You might find this link shared in a message, on a website, or inside a community post. An invite link typically looks like a t.me address and is designed to take you straight to the group. Before you interact with any link, make sure it comes from a source you trust. Taking a second to confirm where the link originated helps you avoid joining the wrong place or stumbling into spam. After you select the link, it will open in your browser and then typically redirect to the Telegram desktop application or the Telegram web version. This handoff is normal, depending on your device and what you have installed. You may see a small prompt asking permission to open Telegram. Approve that prompt to continue. If you are using a computer, the desktop app might launch, or your browser may guide you to Telegram web. If you are on a phone or tablet, the Telegram app usually opens directly. The key point is that the browser simply acts as the starting point and then Telegram takes over to show you the group page. Before you join, you'll usually see a preview of the group. This preview includes the group's name, its icon or cover image, and the current member count. Take a moment to verify that it's the correct group you intended to join. Look closely at the name and any brief description visible in the preview. If you are expecting a specific community, this quick check helps confirm you are in the right place, and not a similarly named group. When you are confident it's the correct group, look for the prominent Join button at the bottom of the screen. Tap or click this button to become a member of the group. Once you join, you'll be added to the member list and you'll see the group's chat history according to its settings. From here, you can start reading messages and if the group allows, participate in conversations right away. That's it. Thanks for watching.